In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your bank to PayPal on your phone. Now for me, if I use the PayPal app and go to Wallet in the bottom right, and then here click PayPal Balance, you can see that for me there is no option to add money directly into my balance in the app. Now if you still want to do it on your phone, that is possible, but if you do have a section that just says add money, then go and click on that. But many people don't have that. Then what you want to do is first make sure you have your bank linked. So here in banks and cards, just make sure that you have a bank account linked, and otherwise click on add new, then click banks and then select whichever bank you want to link and just go and follow these steps. After doing that, you want to open up your browser and go to paypal.com and simply go to sign into your account. Now, once you are in your account, scroll down a bit until you see PayPal Balance and then click on Transfer Money. And then from here, you can see Add Money to your balance. So once I click Add Money to your balance, you can see this. So you can top up your PayPal balance using your bank account. It's as easy as making a domestic payment transfer. You can only deposit money to your PayPal account via SEPA transfer and only in euros, which is specifically for me. So here you can then see these steps and where you need to transfer. Now the bank and stuff like that may be different for you, so don't transfer it to these details. And then the name on your bank needs to be the same as on your PayPal account. So just go and follow these steps and then it will be deposited directly into your balance. Now if you are also from Europe, you may have this section that says instantly top up using Ideal, which is much easier. So then from here you can just select your bank and then it's more of an instant transfer into your PayPal balance. So that's how to transfer money from your bank to PayPal on phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.